Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I'm Dr. Linz, and today we're going to do one of my faves, which is Mobility Monday. Today we're going to do a full mobility flow with me, where I'll be queuing you up to make sure you're optimizing that mobility. But before I get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another helpful video, as well as support my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Also, one more thing before I get into it, don't forget I do have a bunch of mobility flows in the Daily Feel Good, which I'll link up below. I'd love to have you join. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna hit some adductors and our posterior chain first. So first things first, what we're going to do is wide stance here, toes pointed forward, and I'm gonna go back and forth a few times. And when we do this, we're gonna keep our spine nice and neutral. So I'm going to the left and right, keep the core tight. Left, and one more to the right, nice and slow. Core is tight, back is neutral, and we're gonna center it up. Now what we're going to do, tuck chin down to the chest, roll the body forward down into the floor, touch the hands to the floor, and we're gonna walk her out. Walk it all the way out. Then we're gonna push our head through one time, heels flat on the floor, and now we're gonna walk it up. Fold it like a pancake down. And then we're gonna roll our body back up. We're gonna do that sequence one more time. So we're gonna go to the left and to the right. Ooh, nice stretch in the groin area. Over to the left. And one more to the right. Good, now come back to center. We're gonna tuck our chin down to our chest, roll down to the floor, hands touching, walk it out. Push that head through one time. Now we're gonna walk it back in. Good, come up, nice and slow. Good. Now what we're going to do, we're gonna get on our hands and knees here. We're gonna do a little groin rock back. It's going to feel really good, but we wanna make sure we're doing this right. This is one of the primary things we're gonna do in the mobility flow today. Hands and knees are squared up, okay? Now what we're going to do, extend that left leg straight out. We want that foot flat on the floor. Next focus is we want our spine completely neutral. I don't want you to hunch your back. I don't want you to sag your belly down. I want you to tuck everything in nice and tight and the spine nice and straight. Now what we're going to do is just slowly rock back to as far as where you start to feel that tension in that adductor or groin area, and then we're gonna come back up. And then we're gonna rock back. Keep everything nice and neutral, no hunching the back or anything. Come back up. We're gonna do one more. Back. Good, and up. Now we're gonna switch sides. Bring that leg in nice and slow. We're gonna go ahead and kick that right leg out. Foot flat on the floor. Square up your shoulders, your hands and knees. Core is tight, locked in. Now we're gonna rock back, slow, and up. Don't take it to a point of pain. Okay, we want it to feel nice and comfortable with a little bit of a stretch here. And up, one more time. Back. And up. And what I want you to do, go ahead and try that. Again, you know, as a warm up or cool down, I do like to warm up the adductors as I do that stretch because it is a bit deeper. Okay, let's go ahead and stand up. We're gonna finish off here with some hip flexors. You guys know I like to hit those hip flexors. So I'm gonna have my right leg back, left leg forward. A key to always stretching out the hip flexors, we want to tuck those hips under. We don't want that back and booty sticking out. We want those hips tucked under. Woo, I cannot talk today, all right? Once we do that, we're gonna lean forward, keeping those hips tucked and that core tight. You're gonna feel a nice deep stretch here. Now what I want you to do is lean to the left slightly. Okay, you're gonna feel a little bit of a deeper stretch. Whew. Good. Let's go ahead and switch sides. I got my right leg forward, left leg back. First things first, always tuck those hips under in a hip flexor stretch. Okay, tuck it under. Now we're gonna lean forward, getting a deeper hip flexor stretch. Hold it. Now we're gonna lean to the right. Nice and slow, lean to the right. Good. Now step it up back to center. Let's finish off with a nice fold down. We're gonna fold down into the floor with our legs together. Fold it down, deep breath in and out. In and out. Come up nice and slow. Good. So we just hit the adductors or that groin area nice and good. Go ahead and repeat that 2 to 3 times. Use it as a warm up or cool down. And don't forget, we do have amazing class sessions with me in our daily feel good on drlindsayschmidt.com. Give this a like, subscribe so you never miss another video. And until next time, peace and love. Stay healthy.